Anytime now. Gates open. Dead up and racing. Mischievous. Hepburn moving up. Diop J. Then comes Big Time Bonjing. Deep Pockets is by the rail. Then comes entry number 11. Real Magic. Moving up is Dayang Dayang. To a Sugar Daddy running by the rail is Latin Music. Then moving up Golden Majestic. Best Strike comes next. Demolition Jack second last is entry number 2 Prospector's Cat, and trailing the group is Dazzling Affair. Heading towards the last 450, Hepburn by about 3 lengths, followed now by Real Magic. Sugar Daddy moving a party outside to take third. Diop J. Dayang Dayang is also there as they turn towards the last 200. Hepburn this time by about 2 lengths. Real Magic is sorry outside. Sugar Daddy running by the rail is Golden Majestic Dayang Dayang with the last 50 meters from start to finish. It's all Hepburn. Real Magic close between Sugar Daddy, Best Strike, then comes number 13, Dayang Dayang for your Pentapecta.